record sponsors first before.
Kaya ako na nagsabi. Okay. Kami. Uy! Kevin, sabihin mo candle. After yan.
Candle sponsors. Sorry.
Papatayin kaya. Papatayin.
Please all stand up. My dear friends, let us turn to the Lord and pray that He will bless with His grace this woman now married in Christ to this man, and that He will unite in love the couple He has joined in His holy bond.